Have you ever wondered how you can use the integrity deck in new ways? You might already have this, and you might be wondering, well, what can I do besides just looking at a card and thinking about it? So perhaps we can give you some new ideas today. I'm Katie Hendricks, and I created the integrity deck from our 4 pillars of integrity. And I think it's so valuable and important for us to have a way to center ourselves, to organize ourselves around what we really want, who we are, and where we're wanting to be going. So here's something I want to suggest for you for this next period of time as a way of creating an internal structure that is really reliable no matter what else is going on around you. And that is to spread out your integrity deck as you might have with tarot cards or other kinds of growth materials that you know, and then just look at what draws you and then pick that card. And first, let yourself take a look at the picture, and this one is particularly lovely. And then what I like to do is to let myself just look at the picture and do what we call bodifying. That is, just let your body respond to what you're seeing. So this is, when I look at this, I feel and spacious and deep and connected. And then, see, I haven't even looked at the words yet. And then, this one is the wonder card. And it says, which is a great way to cultivate wonder. I wonder how I can grow a nervous system that can handle expanding amounts of positive energy for longer and longer periods of time. Wow, what a great one. And then you can use that card, you can put it somewhere, you can put it on your desk, you can tape it onto the refrigerator, and something that you can refer to through the day as kind of a touch point for you. If you're encountering something, you're needing to make a decision, you're working on a project, or you're about to go into a meeting, use your card to help you open up that space for you as you're going through your day. And then you can either put it aside or you can put it at the back of the deck. And then each day I recommend pulling a card for a month or so and notice if it creates more aliveness, more connection for you, and more opportunities to collaborate. Thanks a lot.